Back at the pond, everyone. Braden's with me today, though. Woke up early this morning before I had to go to work, throwing a wacky rig and a frog. They don't usually like to bite frogs here, I feel like, but I'm gonna try to do it. Let's get active. Oh, here we go. What a way to start the morning off. Am I right? First cast, no fish. That's good. Did you hear that? Pick up the old wacky rig. Cast that out past them bluegill beds and tighten my drag.
Frank, I'm gonna go down there.
Down that way?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna come with you in a second.
I'm gonna leave my rod and stuff there.
Okay. Oh, I had one. Now I got weeds. I promise that was a fish. I watched that guy eat it. Gosh dang. He choked that hook. There we go. Nice little one. Probably a 1 if he's got a full belly. There's another bass. This guy ate it aggressively. Yo, if you cast under that bigger tree on the right, there's a fish under there 90% of the time. Yeah, let's see if it's there. Oh my gosh, I stepped in a hole on my socks wet. All right, I'll just fish this bank and wait for you. Don't crash. Got one on the frog. Literally turned away as I was looking at you. You ate it. Okay, sounds good. Fish number 2 on the frog. Look at that, bro. He's got both hooks in his upper lip. Let's go. Not even that big. Look at that. Absolutely smoked that thing. See, I don't really be catching bass on frogs that much, so whenever they eat the frog and I'm able to catch them, that's good. Oh, just got my other sock wet. There he goes. I catch a lot of pike on frogs, as you saw in the last video. If you watched that, if you haven't, go back and watch, because that was one of my favorite videos to film. But I catch a lot of pike on frogs. That's why I have a whole tackle box now of Walmart frogs. After last video, it was really cheap frogs. I lost both of them, so I went to Walmart and bought like 5 more, threw them in a separate tackle box for the occasion when I'm fishing for pike. But when I fish for bass with a frog, I feel like I miss my hook set. Not that confident with them. I feel like every time I look away from my bait, that's when a fish eats it. I was looking down this way at Braden. That's when a fish ate it. But yeah, I really want to get better with frogs, especially for bass. I feel like they can catch some of the biggest fish. That was a good cast. See, right under that tree. Right under the tree is where they are. And I just had one again under that tree. So I'm gonna, no, I missed the spot. I need to get in that exact same spot. He's in that shade. There we go. Let it pause. Got him that time. Oh, that's a good fish. On the water, ski him in. That's like a 2.5 pounder. Oh my gosh. As soon as Braden leaves. Oh, that is a 3 pounder, but he's all spawned out. Oh my gosh, buddy, look at that. Absolutely destroyed that frog. My drag even slipped a little bit. I want to take a picture of this one. I mean, guys, just look at that. Absolutely demolished that frog. It came right out. But look at this fish. This is a 3 pounder all day. But look at how skinny. Don't move. Look at how skinny he is. Spawned out. I should say she. That's a good fish right there. Nice bass. I'm gonna get her back in the water. Keep living on. Make some more babies. She's hiding under this stuff. She's in here somewhere. Those are the type of fish I need to help my confidence in frogs. That is exactly what I'm looking for. Let's go. That's exactly what I was... I just had another one. Come on, come back for it, please. Another one. Oh, he came off. See, that one I felt for a second. So I'm gonna get back in there with a wacky rig as the follow-up. See if he'll come eat this now. Since he just ate the frog. I don't know if I stuck him or not. Yep. Oh! He missed it. He's still aggressive. I might get the frog back out, since he just ate that like a topwater as well. There we go. Oh, missed it again. Keeps coming back for the frog. Just keeps missing the frog. Oh, I think he just missed it. Like he swiped at it right under the water. Hey, Braden got a fish. On the buzz bait? Braden got one on the buzz. That's tough. That's hype. That's hype. Holy crap. I just scared a fish right there on the bank too. Another one, guys, on the frog. They just keep eating the frog. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Okay. This guy turned the whole thing of hooks around. Look at that frog. Demolished it, dude. Let's go, guys. That's fish number 4. Number 3 for the frog. No, he spit it. Yeah, I think they're stacked over here, bro.
Yeah, I'm coming over there.
Yeah! Oh my gosh, he got one on the frog! It looks like a decent one too. You don't look that bad. He's not big.
It's not very hard to fight him on this heavy.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So.
But bro, he choked that thing. Look at where that frog is. Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Let's go. Show the folks at home. Show them where that frog's at in his mouth. Oh my gosh. Sucker's deep. Oh my goodness. Choke that thing. Braden's first bass frog. There, yes sir.
Back there to get the frog.
Let me get in there too now. Oh, Braden! I watched that as he started walking, bro. Oh. My turn. Yo, if we could double up on frogfish. Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah, let's go. Bigger than the last one.
Not by much.
Oh,
A little bit.
still bigger.
Yeah!
Stay on.
What's up?
Bro, he kept swimming at me and I couldn't reel quick enough. Holy sh! Oh my gosh! There's a giant snake right here. Do you see him?
Yeah.
I'm gonna
poke him.
yeah, poke him so that it's hard to see. Oh my gosh.
He's big. Is he dead?
No. I'm waiting for him to. Oh my gosh, there he goes.
Dude, that's like.
That was spooky, bro. That's like the
That was spooky. He was hanging right there.
I thought you saw a bee or something.
No. Dude, that's like half the size of the one we saw at the cemetery though. You remember that?
I know. I've never seen a snake here, bro. Maybe we should get snake lures and throw topwater snakes. That'd be so cool.
Handle this.
Come on now. Tell me. Bro. I was just about to say, you tell me there ain't no fish there? Come on. I got one. Yo, double up. It's a small one, I think. Yes, I do.
I couldn't see him.
Yeah.
Oh, that's low. First bass I missed today. First back on.
Smallest bass I've caught today. There he is, guys. Dink. By far smallest fish of the day for both of us. Oh well, better than no fish. I don't think your fish was the same. Oh, I was just about to say, I don't think it's the same one as mine.
Dude, I was mid pop and it just got so hard.
He's fighting like a nicer one. Yeah, that's a decent fish. He's gonna get stuck in there, so he won't fight. So you just gotta horse him up. But you got that heavy rod. Oh yeah.
That's my best one for sure. Like popped off.
He's long and skinny.
Oh my god, he's like unhealthy skinny. Dude, this would have been like a 2.5 maybe.
Yeah, that guy. Yeah.
Look at his head though.
You would have been like a 1.5, 2 pounder.
Yeah.
He's got that big head. It's like
Shame, dude.
they look
He's
like
got-
Florida bass.
Yeah, sure. He's got no gut.